Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore Earth. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the top 7 must-visit cities in Canada for 2024. From the maritime magic of Halifax to the multicultural metropolis of Toronto, each city on our list offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. So, grab your virtual passport and let's dive into the diverse tapestry that makes Canada an irresistible destination. Number 7. Halifax. A coastal haven where history meets the sea. The bustling waterfront, with its lively activities and stunning harbor views, sets the stage for this maritime adventure. Venture beyond the city to the iconic Peggy's Cove, where a historic lighthouse stands against a rugged coastline, creating a scene of maritime beauty. Explore Halifax's rich history at the Citadel and Old Town, where each cobblestone tells a tale. Halifax's culinary scene is a delight, with the Halifax Seaport Farmers Market offering fresh seafood and local goods. Dive into the artistic vibe of neighborhoods like North End, where trendy boutiques and cafes line the streets. Throughout the year, Halifax comes alive with events like the International Busker Festival and the Halifax Jazz Festival, making every visit a dynamic experience. In Halifax, coastal charisma meets cultural richness. Whether you're enjoying the waterfront, savoring local flavors, or diving into the city's vibrant events, Halifax promises an authentic maritime adventure. Number 6. Edmonton, where the festival spirit thrives year-round. From lively events to North America's largest shopping and entertainment hub, the West Edmonton Mall, the city is a celebration waiting to happen. Dive into nature at River Valley or explore diverse neighborhoods like Old Strathcona. Edmonton's cultural richness shines through historic sites like Fort Edmonton Park and artistic hubs like the Art Gallery of Alberta. Culinary enthusiasts can savor local flavors at farmers markets. Whether it's the arts, shopping, or nature, Edmonton promises a vibrant and memorable experience. In Edmonton, every day is a celebration, and every neighborhood has its own story. Join the festivities, explore diverse communities, and immerse yourself in the dynamic energy of this festival capital. Number 5. Quebec City. Step into the enchanting world of Quebec City, where every cobblestone in Old Town tells a story. The iconic Chateau Frontenac graces the skyline, offering timeless elegance and breathtaking views of the St. Lawrence River. If you visit during winter, the city transforms into a magical wonderland during the world's largest winter carnival, the Carnaval de Quebec. Explore beyond the charming streets, and you'll discover the historic Plains of Abraham, the Citadel, and the stunning Montmorency Falls, each adding to the city's allure. Quebec City proudly embraces its French heritage, evident in its language, cuisine, and vibrant cultural events like the Summer Festival and New France Festival. Quartier Petit Champlain, one of North America's oldest streets, invites you to stroll through boutiques and cafes. The city's culinary scene is a delight, offering traditional French-inspired dishes and a taste of the local farm-to-table movement. Quebec City, with its historic charm, cultural richness, and picturesque landscapes, promises an enchanting journey. Whether you're exploring Old Town, enjoying winter festivities, or savoring French delicacies, Quebec City invites you to experience timeless elegance in every corner. Number 4. Calgary, the gateway to adventure. This Alberta gem seamlessly blends urban sophistication with rugged natural beauty. The city's modern skyline is a backdrop to the exhilarating Calgary Stampede, held at the iconic Stampede Park, where cowboy culture comes to life. Calgary serves as the perfect launch pad to the awe-inspiring Rockies. A short drive takes you to Banff National Park, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts with its turquoise lakes and majestic peaks. Whether you're skiing in winter or hiking in summer, the Rockies offer an adventure for every season. Beyond nature, Calgary boasts cultural treasures like the Glenbow Museum and the trendy Stephen Avenue Walk, diverse neighborhoods like Kensington, and lively festivals such as the Calgary Folk Music Festival capture the city's vibrant spirit. In Calgary, adventure awaits at every turn, from the excitement of Stampede to the tranquility of Banff. Whether you're exploring cultural hotspots or immersing yourself in the Rockies, Calgary invites you to experience the perfect blend of urban flair and natural wonders. Number 3. Vancouver, where urban elegance meets the untamed beauty of nature. The iconic skyline, framed by mountains and ocean, sets the stage for a city like no other. Explore Stanley Park, an urban oasis offering biking, hiking, and breathtaking views. Each Vancouver neighborhood tells a unique story, from historic Gastown to trendy Yaletown. The city's multiculturalism shines in areas like Chinatown and Commercial Drive, where diverse flavors create a culinary paradise. Vancouver's cultural scene is as vibrant as its landscapes. Immerse yourself in Indigenous art at the Museum of Anthropology or catch a performance at the Vancouver Art Gallery. Join the city's celebration during events like the Celebration of Light Fireworks Festival. In Vancouver, every street is a journey and every moment is a celebration. Whether surrounded by nature, indulging in diverse cuisine, or exploring cultural gems, Vancouver offers a perfect blend of city living and outdoor adventure. Number 2. Montreal, where European elegance meets Canadian charm. The Old Port's cobblestone streets and historic charm transport you to a European oasis. Mount Royal offers a panoramic view of the city, creating a perfect blend of French sophistication and Canadian warmth. Montreal is synonymous with festivals, from the world's largest jazz fest to the lively Just for Laughs. The city's culinary scene is a delight, with famous bagels, poutine, and a diverse array of international flavors. Explore the vibrant Jean Talon market and immerse yourself in the artsy districts like Le Plateau. Montreal, with its European flair, cultural richness, and artistic vibrancy, promises an unforgettable journey. So, whether you're wandering through Old Montreal or embracing the creative spirit of the festivals, Montreal invites you to experience a unique blend of old-world charm and modern excitement. Number 1. Toronto, a city that stands tall both in its skyline and its multicultural vibrancy. The iconic CN Tower defines the skyline, providing breathtaking views. But Toronto's true beauty lies in its diverse neighborhoods like Kensington Market, offering an array of global flavors and cultural experiences. Throughout the year, Toronto pulses with life through events like the Toronto International Film Festival and the Caravana Parade. As the sun sets, the entertainment district comes alive, boasting theaters, live music venues, and a lively nightlife. Sports fan? Cheer for the Raptors or catch a Blue Jays game? Prefer the outdoors? The Toronto Islands provide a serene escape just minutes from downtown. Toronto isn't just about entertainment. Explore world-class museums like the Royal Ontario Museum and the Art Gallery of Ontario. With top universities, the city is a hub of innovation and culture. Toronto, where towering skyscrapers meet diverse communities, creating a multicultural marvel. From global cuisine to iconic landmarks, Toronto offers an unforgettable Canadian experience. Add it to your travel list and discover the magic of this dynamic city. And there you have it, the top 7 must-visit cities in Canada for 2024. Whether you're drawn to the vibrant city life, the stunning natural landscapes, or the rich cultural tapestry, Canada has it all. Which city is calling your name? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.